Hi, welcome to the second week of our Numbers to 20 unit. Last week we spent a few days going over the numbers 11 through 14 and doing some counting with Counting Cow. This week we're going to start with the number 15 where we left off, and we're going to go all the way to the number 20. Okay, so I started with the number 15, which has a 1 and a 5. And the first way that I'm going to write it is with my word. It can be a fun activity to practice writing the words for numbers, but you don't have to know how to spell all of these words, but it can be fun to write some big words, some math words. So, all right. The next way that I'm going to write the number 15 is with these. What are these called again? 10 frame. Say 10 frames. When there's two of them, it's called double 10 frame. Say double 10 frame. Yes. Okay. So I know that one 10 frame has 10 dots, so I can fill in that whole thing. When I'm at 10, I can then get to 15 by counting from 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm noticing that that filled up half of my second 10 frame. Okay, so that's 15 dots in my 10 frame. If I go over here, I'm going to draw 15 linking cubes, and I think I'm going to have 2 linking cube towers. Can you help me count to 15? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. The next part is my dice. Let's see. This is where I have to problem solve a little bit. So, because I don't just know in my head what can equal 15. So I'm going to start with one dice. I'm going to put 5 on my first dice. And then I'm going to do the same with my second. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so now I'm going to need 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 15 dots on my dice. Okay. These are 4 ways to make the number 15. What number did I add to our chart? 16. 16 has a 1 and a 6, and it comes right after the number 15. I'm going to write 16 in the same 4 ways. Here we go. This is how you spell 16. All right. I'm going to do 16 dots on my double 10 frame. Say double 10 frame. Did you say it? Good job. How many dots have I made so far? You shouldn't have to count them one by one. You should just be able to look at it. I can look at this and see that I filled in one 10 frame, which means I have 10 dots so far. So now I go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There we go. That's 16 dots. Now I'm ready to do my 16 linking cubes, and you're gonna have to help me count. These are just getting bigger and bigger, huh? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's 16. Now I'm going to do my dice. Here we go. So the first thing I think about is I can put any number on this dice. I'm going to put 6. Well, I can put any number 1 through 6, right? Because those are the numbers that are on dice. I'm going to do 6. So I need 10 more dots. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10. How many do I have so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can do 16 with a 6 and 2 5s. And there's my 4 ways to make 15 and 4 ways to make 16. Hi everyone, it's Counting Cal. So guess what we're going to be doing? We're going to be counting some numbers. So far, Miss Cummings has gone over the numbers 11 through 16. What you can do to practice is you can practice writing those numbers, and you can practice counting those numbers with objects from your house. I have Miss Cummings' rock collection right here. So we're going to be using these to count today. What's the first number we're going to be counting? What number is that? Say 12. 12 has a 1 and a 2. Let's practice writing 12. Straight down for 1, and then up, down, across to make a 2. Can you practice that? Good job. Let's count out 12. Whoops. My horns got in the way. Here we go. 1, 2, my nose is easier, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, this one's big. Here it comes. 12. Can you try counting the rocks on your own? I'll point and you say the number. Ready? High five. What does it say? Can you say 15? 15 has a 1 and a 5. Let's practice writing 15. Ready? Straight down for 1, and then for a 5 it goes across, down, around. Can you practice that with your finger on the table or with a pencil? Good job. Let's count out 15 rocks from Miss Cummings' rock collection. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's a heavy one. Here it comes. 13, 14, 15. I did it. That was a lot of heavy moving for my antlers. Can you count the numbers while I point? Here we go. I'm going to point with my ear this time. Good job. What do you think the next number will be? What number is it? Say 14. Good job. It goes 1, and then a 4 goes down, over, up, down. Can you practice that with your finger or with a pencil? Give me a thumbs up when you're ready to count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I like that one. It's spotted like me. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, come on over, and 14. There we go. Can you count while I point to the rocks? Here we go. Good job. You counted 14. That's it for today. Make sure that you get the math homework page from the weekly homework folder that's right above the weekly lessons folder. It should just be one page and take about 10 minutes. So do that practice and join me again tomorrow for some more counting. Bye!